You're coming with me behind the scenes. Take two.
26. Congratulations.
Huge.
When we get along, we tell them to look at the map to find their table, and we say
will be another one, but we actually will make them a lanyard. We won't make her one because.
Get that to Ross to sing something in the background.
I'm going hot.
Nice.
With broccoli and rice.
Well, this is the real day. This is the launch day.
Because she's lying.
Enjoy your day, Billy. Thank you.
Every single one of you has done this year. At the end of these 8 minutes, I'm just going to ask for a few reflections.
On the first slide this morning, we gave you...
These are so that saving money with us becomes even easier.
Well done, well done, well done. Absolutely.
My brother was talking about his needs, a lot of things about the house.
Yeah. Oh!
Also because it's really cold up here.
To make 3 tickets into member operations.
So it's lunchtime at the moment. You can see everyone behind me. It's going amazingly well. Everyone seems to be enjoying it. People very, very happy. So excited to see what's next after the